Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is ISR to demonstrate combat-proven RQ-35 ISR drone, and at Modern Warfare Week. ISR Group Holdings will present its advanced defense technologies at Modern Warfare Week, hosted by the Global Soft Foundation in Fayetteville, North Carolina. A central focus will be the RQ-35 intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISR drone, known for its effectiveness in GNSS Global Navigation Satellite System, GPS Global Positioning System, denied environments. Built by Skywatch and Coastal Defense, two of ISR's specialist brands, the RQ-35 is designed for combat adaptability, real-time target acquisition, and seamless battlefield system integration. Operate autonomously, the system enables persistent aerial surveillance and communication without requiring constant input from users. Skywatch has spent years refining ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance systems in close partnership with frontline operators, said Martin Schausbo, CEO of Skywatch. The RQ-35 reflects that legacy built for resilience, autonomy, and mission success in the world's most challenging environments. With ISR replicating our manufacturing capabilities in Phoenix, we're ensuring that U.S. forces have direct access to the same trusted technology, backed by a secure and scalable domestic supply chain. Over 500 missions have been successfully completed by each RQ-35 system, with the fleet flying tens of thousands of operational sorties. The drone is trusted by NATO allies and actively deployed by the armed forces of Ukraine, proving its reliability in contested and degraded environments. Live demonstrations led by ISR product experts and operational veterans will highlight RQ-35's combat-tested features. Attendees will engage in mission planning discussions and review operational insights from current deployments and advanced training scenarios. It's an honor to bring together two of ISR's most distinguished brands, Skywatch and Coastal Defense, at Modern Warfare Week, said Captain Joe Burns, CEO of ISR. This event highlights how our integrated approach delivers more than just technology. It delivers mission-ready solutions shaped by real-world experience and operational insight. At the center of this capability is Skywatch, whose leadership in autonomous ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance continues to set the global standard. Combined with our U.S.-based manufacturing and certification expertise, ISR is uniquely positioned to meet the evolving needs of U.S. and allied forces. Our commitment to U.S. defense readiness is further underscored by our dedicated manufacturing facility in Phoenix, Arizona, being established to produce RQ-35 and other drone solutions and electronics for U.S. clients, ensuring domestic production, rapid delivery, and supply chain resilience. Chiranjeev Kathuria, executive chairman of ISR, said, ISR was founded to unify best-in-class capabilities across aerospace, autonomy, and defense, and that strategy is delivering real results. In addition to our core ISR platforms, we're expanding our drone ecosystem with loitering munitions and high-speed interceptor drones through previously announced letters of intent to form joint ventures with Nord Drone and Bullet. These initiatives strengthen and broaden our ability to deliver a full-spectrum solution. Modern Warfare Week provides the ideal stage to showcase how these advancements, combined with our integrated platform, are shaping the future of integrated drone solutions and strengthening defense readiness for U.S. and allied forces. Modern Warfare Week brings together military professionals, innovators, and strategic partners to explore the future of special operations and defense technology. ISR's participation underscores its expanding role in supporting mission-ready capabilities through integrated drone systems and U.S.-based manufacturing. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.